Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a MongoDB query using JS. For example, we need to data read from any CSV file and we have to update one by one record, and we uh, uh, do not want to do manually that record update because it will take too much of time and one manual entry. For example, there is 1000 record, and then how you will update one by one? We have simply just created a column into a CSV, and for example I have using here from ID, and ID's value you can put any field that you have required and put on here, and I will show you how to write the query to update that record. For example, for this you need to you have Node installed already into your Windows or in your system. First you need to install Node, and after that you can do this query for MongoJS query to update more than one record at once. And or if you want to set up a cron automatically to run, then you can just make a file and run. It will be on that particular time. For example, here I have required a fast CSV parser and MongoDB. Here I have written Mongo client and CSV for reading CSV, and this is file fs4. This is the connection URI for MongoDB. I have written down my local MongoDB URL, and then DB name, then collection name. Then I have written a function update data. I will show you like client, MongoDB client, and URI name I have a passed. Then connect and client.db, and DB name is database I have access, and database.collection, and collection name we have passed here. Like document updated counter I have set 0, so I can log how many records have been updated. And there const I have written down a for loop, and const I have defined, and its name I do a record, and data and console record what type of data I have get. This is the data, and I will show you how we read data. And from ID record dot from ID I have fetch. For example, you can see over here from ID I have column name in CSV. And if note is the from ID, then we have continue for next record. Otherwise, we have done like this: result await update one from ID, and message will be test. When result dot modify count is greater than 0, then document updated plus plus. Okay, and I have here a log total document updated. I show you here. I have written down to 0. Here is the result. Dot modify count. How many modify count will happen? And I have written down here. If greater than 0, then read the CSV file and process its content. We have like how I will be read the CSV file. For example, here constant data array I have create a array for data array. Now CSV file path and process argument 2. I will show you when we run. We will get the CSV path from command line argument, and after that I have, this is the file fs I have created, and fs do create read stream, and here I have passed that particular file path and don't file CSV and data array will push the data into this and updated. Once all the read update MongoDB update document array have passed over here, and updated document on above document I have shown you data, and here we have applied for loop. Now we will run that particular code. Then go to CMD and open the CMD. Now written down the query node file name. You can see over here file name, updated data MongoDB from CSV. I have written here, and here is the path of my CSV file. You can see file this, and I have copy that particular path, and now I will run. You can see record from ID. This is the ID, and updated document within the from ID. Total record updated is that you need to check that particular ID have any record or not. Test status failed and message test, and both have same money transfer. This is the record already updated, and if I have took another one ID, then what will give me a second. I am just changing the ID and this, and we will run. It will show you the from ID record is 1 is updated, and now we will see in our database have been changed or not. This record you can see there is the C3, C3, C6, and C6 you can see over here MongoDB. C6 message is test. I have written down the test message over here. Message equal to test set here. So like this you can record multiple of report from CSV. You can update in MongoDB. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.